Welcome back to the channel, Moneymakers. Um, Today we're going to talk about another unsecured credit card. You've seen my credit card about the Surge credit card. Go back in a link. I'll leave a link below to one of the other unsecured credit card. But this one we're going to talk about the Indigo card. Again, this is unsecured funds. The limit is up to $300. Now they do a little more stringent. I know I told you 550 for the Surge card. This one is 620. If you have a credit score of 620 or around 600, 620, then you can apply for the Indigo card. The reason why I don't recommend this over the Surge, I do recommend this, but not over the Surge, is because some of the fees that's associated with it. So for your first year, you got to pay $75 and an APR of 24.9%. Now that's a high, very high interest rate. But again, you're trying to reestablish and rebuild your credit. Um, the the more higher interest you can pay it off, um, the better your situation will be credit wise within 3 to 6 to a year. So although it's not really recommended if you have good or fair or excellent credit to have these types of interest rates or these types of annual fees. But if you're uh, trying to reestablish, you had bad credit, or you're trying to reestablish your credit, these cards are more essential for you to rebuild it, because once you're paying off, the higher the interest you pay off, the better your credit score will go. I'm not a big fan of the year after that. $99, $100 is way above what most people want to do. But just keep this card for a year, year and a half, just to rebuild your credit, and then just drop the card. Um, don't don't close it out. Don't kill it. Just don't use it. Uh, Another thing is they don't have um, over the limit. So they do go over the limit, but then every time you go over the limit, it's a $40 fee. Um, and then some of the monthly fees, not the monthly fees, but the lowest you can pay per month is like some of them do have 20, 25, 30. This one is 40 to $50, and then there's no grace period on the payment. Um, so there's no grace period on the payment. So if you have a late payment, that's for another $40. If you go over the limit, that's another $40. They do charge a 1% transaction, and they do also have cash advances on this card versus Surge. They don't have the cash advance, but it's either $5 or 5% of the amount. So if you want to get $500, this is only goes up to $300. But if you wanted to take the whole thing out, you just know you'll be charged 5% on that, plus the overage if you go over the card. So this is not the most ideal card, but it will help you reestablish your credit. Now, another thing that's not a guarantee is it's not a guarantee approval, and then so it can go negatively on your inquiries. So make sure, like I said, make sure your credit is at like a 600, 620 before you apply for a card like this. Um, Again, Surge card, if you're below that, might be the ideal card for you to go with. And another one, the drawbacks of the Indigo card, I know I'm kind of knocking the card as well as I'm promoting it, is that it only reports to Equifax and TransUnion. Now, that's not entirely a bad thing that they don't do Experian, but because a lot of places don't look for Experian, um, but it does only report to Equifax and TransUnion. The step-by-step process is very easy. You can read some of the stuff over. Just go to the website indigocard.com, and you can investigate it for yourself. They will need verification of income, so if I know some cards they don't require a verification of income, but this card does, and basically you can just um, scan your paycheck or scan your scan your ID for verification, your ID verification. Okay, this would be the end of this one. Click like, subscribe. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, right with the channel. We'll see you next time.